everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I'm going to be talking all about my favorite summer mascara. And you're probably thinking, how is your summer mascara different from any of your other favorite mascaras? And there's actually a big difference, because during the summer, I only wear waterproof mascara. Because I live in Maine where it is humid and hot, and I spend a lot of the time either in the pool or at the lake. And I figured I would come on here and talk about my new favorite waterproof mascara from the brand CLIO, which is a Korean beauty brand. And I will have all three mascaras that I will be mentioning listed down below for you guys. And if you guys would like more beauty related videos, or specifically summer beauty related videos, leave them in the comments. And without further ado, let's get started. So starting off, I am a huge mascara person. I have an entire bucket of mascara. If you guys would like an entire collection of every mascara I have, let me know in the comments. I have also done a few other mascara related videos, which I will also leave down below. But for today's video, I'm going to be talking about the three mascaras I have been using lately and plan to be using throughout the summer, for the simple fact that this is the most waterproof mascara I have ever tried. There are mascaras out there on the market, especially drugstore ones, that say they're waterproof. However, when you go into water, I don't know if it's just me or what, but anytime I go in water and come out, I have like little flakies that come off and chunks, and it does still smudge and rub off. However, I have not had that issue with these. Another thing with waterproof mascaras is that a ton of them say they're easy to get off, however, they're not. This one, however, I have found it is relatively easy to take off. I typically just use the fresh soy face cleanser as well as the fresh sea berry oil. Both are safe to use on your eyes, which I have featured in tons of videos here on my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about and showing you guys the three mascaras that I have been using lately. All three are by the brand CLIO, which is a Korean beauty brand, and they are all part of the Kill Lash Superproof mascara line. The first one is the Kill Lash Superproof Long Curling Mascara. The next one is the Kill Lash Superproof Volume Curling Mascara. And lastly is the Kill Lash Superproof Sleek Volume Mascara. Each one of these mascaras does something different, so be sure to keep watching to find out which ones do what. A few things that helped this mascara to stand out from others is it holds a strong curl the entire day, which for me is a big thing. I am someone who has very fine lashes that do not like to hold a curl whatsoever. However, now they do. With the first mascara, the goal is to create neat and long lashes, and to achieve this, you want to start on the inner corner of your lash line and move outwards towards the tail of your eyelashes. And it is super easy to do with this one because it does have a really slim and curved brush, and this is just what it looks like. On the left is the eye with the mascara, and then on the right is the eye with no mascara. Moving on to the next mascara, the goal for this one is to create fluffy and voluminous lashes, and the brush on this one is in the shape of a rugby ball, which helps you to reach all of your lashes, including hidden ones, to give them definition and volume. And this is just what it looks like. On the left is the eye with the mascara, and then on the right is the eye with no mascara. And then for the last mascara, this is their newest one, and the goal for this is to create defined and voluminous lashes. And the brush for this one is dense and curved to make your lashes, including the hidden ones, look a lot more full. And this is just what it looks like. On the left is the eye with the mascara, and then on the right is the eye with no mascara. I have been loving all of these mascaras and rotating through them regularly. This has definitely become a staple in my summer mascara routine, and I love that they do what they say they're gonna do and last all day, as well as the fact that they are the most waterproof mascaras I've ever tried. So those are just the mascaras that I have been rotating through so far for the summer. If you guys have a favorite mascara or favorite waterproof mascara, definitely let me know what that is. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new videos regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!